In this lesson, we will explore continuous improvement and Kaizen, two essential concepts that drive long-term success in inventory management and overall business performance. These approaches emphasize ongoing incremental enhancements rather than one-time changes, fostering a culture of excellence and adaptability across the organization. Continuous improvement is the philosophy of constantly seeking ways to make processes more efficient, accurate, and effective. In inventory management, this involves refining workflows, reducing waste, and improving data accuracy to achieve better performance over time. The goal is not perfection in a single step, but consistent progress that compounds into significant results. Kaizen, a Japanese term meaning change for the better, represents the heart of continuous improvement. It focuses on involving all employees, from top management to frontline workers, in identifying problems and suggesting solutions. The core idea is that small daily improvements lead to major long-term gains. In the context of inventory management, Kaizen encourages employees to regularly evaluate inventory processes such as ordering, receiving, storing, and picking. For example, a warehouse worker may propose a more efficient labeling system to reduce picking time, or a planner might suggest adjusting reorder points based on seasonal trends. Each improvement, no matter how small, contributes to overall efficiency and accuracy. The Kaizen approach typically follows the PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, act. In the planning phase, teams identify problems or opportunities for improvement. Next, they implement a small-scale solution. Then they check the results using data and performance metrics. Finally, they act by standardizing the successful change or revising it for further improvement. This cyclical process ensures continuous refinement and learning. Continuous improvement also aligns closely with lean principles, which aim to eliminate waste and optimize value. Together, Kaizen and Lean create a proactive mindset that empowers employees to question the status quo and find better ways of working. This mindset builds agility and resilience in inventory systems, helping organizations adapt to changing demand, supply chain disruptions, or new technologies. Measurement and feedback are vital to sustaining continuous improvement. Key performance indicators such as inventory accuracy, order cycle time, carrying costs, and stockout rates help track progress. Regular team meetings, visual dashboards, and open communication keep everyone aligned and motivated. Leadership plays a key role in fostering a Kaizen culture. Managers must create an environment where employees feel safe to suggest ideas and take initiative without fear of criticism. Recognizing and rewarding contributions reinforces positive behavior and strengthens engagement. Technology also supports continuous improvement. Data analytics, automation, and real-time tracking provide valuable insights into inefficiencies and performance trends. These insights enable data-driven decision-making and help teams prioritize improvement opportunities with the highest impact. The long-term success of continuous improvement depends on commitment and consistency. It is not a one-time project, but an ongoing journey. Over time, the cumulative effect of small improvements transforms processes, enhances quality, reduces costs, and boosts customer satisfaction. In summary, continuous improvement and Kaizen empower organizations to evolve constantly through small, meaningful changes. By fostering collaboration, leveraging data, and promoting a mindset of curiosity and ownership, businesses can build an enduring culture of excellence that drives innovation, efficiency, and sustainable growth.